What's up, fellas and ladies? It's me, J Spec, back at you with another shoe review. This one is review on Air Foamposite 1. Color is black, varsity red. Retail price is $200. There it is. Right around the box. There's the shoe, also known for cough drop. All this around is all Foamposite material, as you can see right there. Mostly just black and red. On the bottom, right here, on the tongue is breathable mesh all the way down with red line on it. And right there is a penny logo. If you can see it, penny check mark. The pull tab is black and red. On the bottom, red, black, carbon fiber plating right here, penny logo in black and red. That's basically it. Oh, check mark right here. Inside is black with, I don't know if you can see that, black with black check mark, Nike check mark, Air, black. The lettering is all red. That's basically it. Let's take a look at both shoe. There it is. Front view, side view, the back view, and the bottom view. Of course, you gotta sniff it. Love the smell of new shoe. Please rate, subscribe, and leave a comment on my video. Also share my video on your Twitter, on your Facebook, and on your blogs. Thank you for watching. Peace out, fellas and ladies.